Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are going to see data transformation in Power BI, and within that we are going to see example of merge query and append queries. So let's start with video. Now see friend, first within search box you have to type Power BI and just double click on it. Your Power BI tool will get open. Friends, if you have not installed Power BI tool, then please check the description box. I have given link in description box for installation of Power BI. Okay. Now here in Power BI it is showing blank report. So just click on this, and here I want to import the file, that is .xls file. Here I have created this XLS file which contains the student's information. So here it is showing the roll number of the student, name of the student, percentage and grades. Within sheet 2, I have created two columns, roll number and city. Now once I import this file, it will create with two tables within Power BI. First table will be sheet 1 and another table will be sheet 2. So how to import this XLS file within Power BI? So here you have to select get data. Now I want to import the XLS file. So what we have to select, get data, then Excel workbook and our file student.xls. Now here this file is imported student.xls. Within that I have created two sheets, sheet 1 and sheet 2. I want both sheet, so I have selected these two sheets and just click on load. So if you want to see this both the sheets, then here you have to select the sheet 1 and from left side select view. I want table view, so it is showing in the form of table. Also you can select sheet 2, so it will show the table view of sheet 2. Now we want to perform data transformation. So again from home tab you will get option transform data. So select the transform data, and within this transformation you want to merge queries. So here you will get option merge queries. Again within that two options it is showing merge queries and merge queries as a new. If you select the first option, that is merge queries, so whatever existing table is there, within that only it will create the merge query operation. And if you select the merge query as a new, then it will keep the sheet 1, sheet 2 as it is, and it will create the merge table. Okay, so I will select here merge query as a new, and here it is showing the sheet 1 and I want to merge sheet 1 with sheet 2. So I will select here sheet 2 because sheet 1 is already taken here, and sheet. Here you have to select the join point, join find. So here it is showing left outer, right outer, full outer, okay, and so on. But suppose I want to select the left outer, means what? It will take all from first matching from second. Okay. So here roll number is common, rows number column is common in both the sheets. So I have selected this roll number and just click on OK button. Now see, it has kept sheet 1 as it is, and here it is showing sheet 2 is merged here. Means sheet 1, sheet 2 are separate and merge one table is different. Okay. So here if you click on this icon, it is showing sheet 2. Again if you select on right side, okay, I want to see roll number and city both. So I will click on OK button. So it is showing roll numbers and city of that roll number. Okay, friends, in this way we have completed the merge query operation. Here we can apply right joint also. So what I will do, again select the merge queries, merge queries as a new. Now here I want sheet 1. I want to merge it with sheet 2, but I want right joint. So I will select right outer joint, and common column is roll number. And so it has created again another merge column with right outer joint. Now here first 15 roll number it has taken, but I want, but as per rule of right join, it should take all the rows from the sheet 2. So I will select here and I will click OK. So it is showing all the rows from sheet 2 also. And here it is showing rest of the values null, because in sheet 1 no record is available related with these roll numbers. Okay, this is nothing but the right joins. Now friends, we'll see how to perform the append operations. Means what? It will append the rows from sheet 2 to sheet 1. Again select append queries, and same logic here. So I will select append queries as a new. And I want to use first table as a sheet 1 and second table as a sheet 2, and OK. Okay. So append column is created. It has taken first 15 roll numbers from sheet 1 and another 1 to 21 roll numbers from sheet 2. And here within sheet 2 we don't have a record about the student name, percentage and grade. So it is taking values as a null here. Okay. Friends, in this way we have completed merge queries and append queries data transformations in Power BI. If you want to save all these operations, then you have to select here close and apply. Okay, so it will save all the operations performed. So it will save all the operations performed. So friends, I hope this video was helpful for you. If you have any query related with this video, you can comment me in comment box. And if you really like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thank you.